What does Amazon FBA mean? Amazon FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, a service that allows sellers to store their products in Amazon's fulfillment centers while the company takes care of storage, packaging, shipping, and customer service. In simple terms, FBA enables sellers to focus on growing their business while Amazon handles the logistics. This service ensures fast and reliable delivery, making it easier for sellers to reach customers globally and build trust through Amazon's established reputation. With FBA, products become eligible for Amazon Prime's fast shipping program, boosting visibility and sales potential. Sellers don't need to worry about inventory management or shipping delays because Amazon's massive network handles everything efficiently. The model is ideal for both small startups and large brands aiming to scale quickly without the burden of managing warehouses or delivery systems. Most top-performing Amazon sellers use Helium 10 alongside FBA to monitor product rankings, calculate fees, and identify high-profit opportunities. Helium 10 provides detailed analytics on cost structure, keyword trends, and competition, helping sellers make smarter decisions and increase their margins under the FBA system. It's a perfect partnership for sustainable e-commerce success. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to analyze Amazon FBA performance, find winning products, and grow your online business efficiently at no cost.